Hello, what's going on guys? Welcome to Backstore's YouTube channel. I'm of course your host, Calvin Liu. This is a channel where we talk about bags, do bag reviews, give tips related to bags and all that sort of good stuff. And today, I'm going to talk about the materials of different Macaroon Classic bags. But before that, let's roll that intro. So let's start with some basic ideas about the bag materials. Most of the bags are usually made with nylon or polyester. So what is the difference? Nylon was introduced by DuPont Company in 1938 and it's always utilized in crafting backpacks. It is a broad range of plastics that can be melted down and turned into various things such as fibers, which are then woven. It is very strong, durable, and can resist abrasion and temperatures. And since it is synthetic plastic, it can withstand the attack of various insects or mold growth as well. I could say most of the nylon is water repellent as it will still absorb a certain amount of water, while polyester is a generalized term for any fabric or textile using polyester yarns or fibers. Polyester, also called polyethylene terephthalate, a synthetic fiber usually derived from fossil fuels or organic sources. It is made by mixing glycol and terephthalic acid. We're not teaching chemistry here, but in short, polyester is a kind of plastic. Yes, simple as that. The use of polyester is normally blended with another component such as cotton or another natural fiber. It is resistant to most of the chemicals, dries up very quickly, does not wrinkle easily, and of course, it is strong and lightweight. So let us talk about the strength and durability ratings. If you're familiar with Doughnut or other bag brands, you will often see, for example, 400D CORDURA Fabric, 600D polyester, or 650D nylon, right? So what do they actually mean? D refers to denier. It is a unit of textile measurement. It is usually referring to the thickness of the threads, but it's also a weight measurement. A higher denier means a thicker, heavier, and more durable fabric. So before we look at the material, I just want to quickly show you what the Macaroon Classic offers in terms of functions. They have front pockets secured by these push buttons, which you can put in small items for easy access. There are two water bottle or umbrella compartments. It has padded shoulder straps to ensure comfort to your shoulder. Both shoulder straps have the push button function to secure the strap like this, and a carry-on handle to alternate between shoulder slinging and hand carry. For the inner compartment, there's a laptop compartment that can fit up a 14-inch laptop, two inner water bottle compartments, a zipper compartment here, and a zippered mesh pocket here. There's another small pocket here, and another pocket secure with Velcro. The height of this bag is 38 centimeters, width is 27 centimeters, depth 13 centimeters with a 16 liters capacity. So let's dive into the bag materials. Let's start with this Macaroon Classic Acrylic Series, yellow first. Actually, Doughnut is known for its wide variant of colorful bags. This bag is made with supremely durable and ultra lightweight 400D Korea heavy twill crinkle finish fabric. The fabric is water repellent, which means if you accidentally splash water on it or caught in the rain, some pretty amazing and beautiful water droplets will form on the surface. And you can easily wipe it off, you know. Did I just say beautiful droplets? I know it's kind of irrelevant, but you get the point. Yeah. And not to mention the buckles are made with 100% genuine leather trim and brass accessories. So next, the Doughnut Reborn series. This series is made with REPREVE Polyester, a fabric introduced by the textile company Unify. It is made with recycled plastic bottles. It is strong, durable, and resilient fabric. Therefore, it can keep the bag's original shape well. And not to mention, it is also water repellent. And I just want to quickly point out, instead of leather trimming, they used some recycled material to replace it. So the material kind of like feel a little bit rough, but I think it's still cool. We actually cover pretty much about the REPREVE polyester in our previous videos. You can check out a link in the description below. Yeah, so next, the Doughnut Macaroon Classic Organic Cotton Series. This is made of 10-ounce organic cotton twill, certified by Global Organic Textile Standard. GOTS was developed by leading standard setters to define the internationally recognized requirements for organic textiles, from harvesting raw materials, environmentally and socially responsible manufacturing to labeling, to prove that it is safe to the consumers or buyers. You know, organic cottons bring significantly less harm to the environment than conventional cotton, and releasing almost zero toxic pesticides or fertilizers to the planet. And they even changed the zipper pullers to these snake knot ones. The leather trimmings are also replaced by recycled trimming. And look at this cute label here. It says 100% organic cotton, non-genetically modified, just like you. A friend of air, water, and soil, Mother Nature approved. Yeah, you heard it right. Just like you and me. So it is pretty obvious that Doughnut is trying to save the earth by using environmental friendly materials for their bags. So join us to make a more significant impact, okay? So this is the Doughnut Macaroon Classic Jumanji. This bag is made with 420D CORDURA Fabric, the military widely used CORDURA fabric in the past. So it is strong, durable, and tears and abrasion resistant. It is also designed to be lightweight for you to easily carry it around when you go for an adventure. And you don't need to worry about the rain as well, because this bag can repel water easily as well. When this bad boy is caught in the rain, some amazing and beautiful water droplets will form on the surface. Did I just say beautiful droplets again? This bag uses leather trimming and the logo here is reflective. Next, the Doughnut Macaroon Lucas Beaufort. This is made with 600D REPREVE polyester, but this part with the drawing is made with TYVEK recycled paper-like fabric. Sounds interesting, huh? And these drawings are designed by Lucas Beaufort, a French visionary painter who creates abstract characters with impactful colors. The artwork of this bag is inspired by the beachside in Hong Kong. As you can see, the top handle buckle is silicone, the belt, and even this brand tag, it's made with silicone as well. Pretty interesting, man. TYVEK feels like paper, but it is not paper. It feels like fabric, but it is not fabric. Surprise! It is robust and highly immune to tears and punctures. It can resist stains, so it is easy to do spot cleaning. It can also be shaped accordingly and processed with different coating materials. Lastly, Doughnut Macaroon Milkshake Series. This series is a brand new series that is launched not long ago. Put your hands up if you like milkshakes! You know, I personally like milk a lot and like milkshakes as well, milk teas as well, but I know that is irrelevant. This light purple bag is made with a mixture of 420D Crinkle nylon twill and 200D Ripstop Nylon. Ripstop fabrics are a combination of materials woven into a square pattern and extra threads of synthetic fiber that are placed within the weave at certain increments. So let's say one of the squares is ripped off, it will stop tears or rip from continuing beyond the primary square. And this is why it is called Ripstop. Boom! Mind-blowing. Such a cool name. So in short, this is more robust and now you can finally abuse the bag. I'm just kidding, okay? Please don't do that. I mean, that's up to you if you want to buy more bags, which is good for us. And besides that, I want to mention that these are all leather trimmings. So before we end this video, I think it will be fun to make some ASMR comparisons so that you can feel the material just by listening to the sound it produces. So take it away, future Calvin. Alright, you done, future Kevin? Okay, so I guess that's about it, and that's it for today. Hope you find this video helpful and managed to learn something. Feel free to follow us on Instagram, and please, gently, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell as well, so that you will be notified once we uploaded a new video. Oh yeah, comment down below and tell us which one is your favorite Macaroon Classic bag. See you in the next video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and goodbye.